Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS and freeing about 10 GB. This prevents install hiccups. Install Homebrew and Xcode command line tools because many extensions and terminals rely on them. Once done, either download the VS Code, zip or run brew install Cask Visual Studio Code. Make sure to allow the app in security and privacy. Open code. Then install the shell command via the command palette so you can launch code from terminal. This speeds workflows immediately. Now you configure the editor to match your workflow. Choose a theme, set font size and tab width, and enable settings sync so preferences follow you. Install essential extensions like GitLens, Prettier, EaseLint, and language packs. If you remote develop, add remote SSH. Configure the integrated terminal to ZSH, set Git user, name and user, email, and tweak workspace settings, JSON for formatter and lint rules. Once configured, open a project, run tasks, and you'll see immediate productivity gains. Finish by building and debugging your app. Open, run, and debug, set breakpoints, and choose the right debugger. Create a launch. JSON to persist settings. Add tasks. JSON for build or test scripts so one command runs your pipeline, and forward ports or use live share for collaborative testing. If something breaks, first check path in terminal, then disable recent extensions to isolate conflicts, and read the developer tools console. These steps usually reveal misconfigurations or missing dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.